Hello friends, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So you are using Liquibase and you ran into this exception called circular reference exception. Well, in this video we are going to talk about why this will happen and how we can resolve this. Now you could see here I have this setup in Liquibase setup exception like circular reference detected in db/changelog. Okay, so why it is happening is basically here I have in my master file changelog master file. Here I am saying please include all with the path. Okay, so what happens is it will go to the path and it will check, and it is the change set is in the same path, right? So it came here db changelog till here it came, then it got into master and it again checked it, again it got into the same path, again got into master. So likewise there's an infinite loop is going on. Because of that we are getting this circular reference exception, because from here again it is checking all the files, then it found this changelog master, again it is checking for this, again it will come. So what you can do is create a separate folder for change set. So here let's say like change set, and move your change sets into that particular folder, refactor it. Now include all the files. What files you need to include? The files which are presented in change set. Change set. This is one of the option that I would suggest. Okay, now I have included it. Now let me click on install. As I said, this is one of the option that I will suggest. Include all different path. One more is like include the specific file. That is also a another option. If you ask me, I would say include the specific file instead of including all. Okay, because you will get more control when you do with including the specific file instead of including all of them like this. Okay, so that is, those are the two solutions that I can suggest here. Now you could see my application is building here. Let's wait for a small bit of time so that I can show you whether that exception is coming or not. Now hopefully it should not, but yeah, you never know. Yeah, also I would strongly suggest you guys to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, because that would really helpful to me. Give me a minute, let this application run successfully. So guys, now you could see our application is still executing. It's in test mode, but yeah, I think there were no issues found until now. Maybe within a second or two this build is going to be successful. Okay, and hope you guys are following on this. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section.